Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. Today we're going to be looking at a 45mm rotary cutter available from Amazon that's made by Ansio Craft. It says it's ideal for paper, quilting, sewing, leather, fabric, film, photo and handicraft. So any type of craft activities you might want to engage in. And there's also a new design. What does it say on the back? Has it got anything on the back? And it tells you what replacement blade you need, and obviously there are different blade variations for whatever you want,
different
the desired output basically. Specially designed to fit your hand, new painted design, time saving, has a way to cut things neatly and precisely for right-handed or left-handed use. That's important because sometimes with scissors they can be just right-handed or left-handed, so we're going to do a few tests.
So what
with
we'd
this.
and along with it we bought Bronson cutting mat. These were £5. This was about 10 I think, something like that. So let's start with a sheet of paper. Let's get the thing out of the box. Okay.
So it's not too difficult to get out of the box. What do we have here?
Got some sort of guard there. Oh right, so there's the blade. Also simple replacement by undoing that. Guard's quite good, so it keeps it safe. It's got various measurements on it. So you can turn the wheel to where you want it, I guess, if you know you want to do half moon cut or something. So anyway, let's do the basics through. So it reckons it's really good. So there's a sheet of paper.
And you use it against a ruler as well. That'd be interesting to see, wouldn't it? If you want real precision cut.
You can line it up on this, so there we go. Left or right handed, turn it around. Doesn't require a lot of effort, I'll say.
That's just not enough pressure then, was it?
That's me, yeah, it's been daft.
There you
So
go.
yeah, that's pretty good. So that's paper. That's a very neat cut, that is. So that's good. So let's try a bit of cardboard. I've got that. Just cut a bit of this.
It's not very thick cardboard, but nevertheless it is.
Can't knock it.
It's a fairly
So look,
thicker than normal paper anyway.
no
That's
problem
going
with
through
that.
there with ease, isn't
That's
it?
like. Let's try. So we've got some laminate folder sleeve, which is notoriously difficult to cut. Wow, I'm impressed with that.
Yeah, let's show the cut on the camera. Really precision cut with that.
I mean, really impressed with that.
That goes through it no problem, doesn't it?
Yeah, I didn't think it'd do that. Okay, so that's sort of 150
GSM. Yeah, I think
right,
that's
so
what
it
you'd
cuts
say.
paper, cardboard, that. What about polythene? So
Yeah,
this
does it
is
drag it? That's the
6"
question.
polythene. To be fair, you probably just hold it down with something. So will it do it?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem at all. The only thing I haven't got, fine, that's the best I've got there. So already,
I mean, it says it does fabrics and everything, so
it might be a bit of an unfair test, but that is a microfiber cloth.
that might be a bit thick for it.
It might be.
Might
Let's
do
try it. I've got to say,
Yeah, it's done that as well.
Wow.
Microfiber cloth. Pretty impressive.
I've got to say, it might be a simple tool. I like the.
And which blade have we got on this
we've got the
exactly? I
base of
wonder.
the cutter, just a straight
The
cut.
straight cut.
Probably something like that.
Yeah.
Straight. Well, you can't. Not. I'm just curious whether it'll cut 2 bits. And I'm sure people watching this will be going, I wonder if it cut 2 bits of that microfiber cloth.
It's for fabrics, so. Yeah, okay.
So there's no excuse not to polish your car anymore, is there?
Right, anyway, so as you can see, it cuts a wide variety of materials that we have to hand to test. We don't have every single material.
The only thing we could, so something delicate like a serviette. It will do it. I mean, it drags it, but I mean, you're definitely getting another one. Be ordering another one in a minute, to be honest, because it's that good bit of kit. It'll cut anything. Obviously, you'll need replacement blades. I like this bit. It's nice.
Yeah, because how does that work? That just guards it on the top, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just pushes back, slides behind it. Basically, so just has a little bit of a rim around
like
it.
A ridge, and it can't. Yeah, it's very, very sharp with that.
So it's got somewhere you can hang it up with. That, I guess, I mean, it's self-explanatory.
Let's just try and take the blade off there, just to see.
Okay. Has it got anything on it? Yeah, it's got like a spring, so you wouldn't want to lose that. So just bear that in mind.
What's that on there?
It's just like a spring washer.
Yeah, okay.
So you wouldn't want to lose that. And you would take that off and replace your blade.
Oh, it's really easy then.
And you would put that back on. Good thing is, because it's got that cover on it as well, even when you're replacing the blade, it's quite safe. And I'm guessing that even if a small... Oops. Ah, that's interesting.
It go on a certain way, that, in a groove or something. Oh, it's got like a notch for it.
So you see what happened there? You just make sure you push that spring washer back on first, all the way down.
Yeah, I need to get that in shot.
That needs to go on first, over that, and then put your, I think it's what these are called, nail knobs or something, aren't they? And then on, and it's off. So let's just make sure we've got that all up and running, just so people can see. Yeah, so I like this because if you have got kids, a little kid, they might find it a little bit difficult to undo, but for the simplicity of the product.
How much did you pay for it?
It's about £10, £12, something
It was
like that.
from Amazon as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it Amazon Prime?
Yeah.
Or just Amazon?
Amazon Prime. So you would pay a little bit more. I'm sure they're cheaper elsewhere, but we wanted to try something out with, so yeah, really impressed with that.
Okay, so this is our product review for the Ansio 45mm rotary cutter. I believe you can probably get it in different sizes, and you can get different blades for it as well, depending on what your use case is. Scoring, wave, pinking, skip, straight. Not sure what the difference between that straight blade and that is, but
blade. That's good.
yeah, so you can mark things.
I've got to say, we should have had one of these before, because it would save a lot of time, loads of time for various jobs.
Right, thanks for watching.